King say so, and I'm back. Before we get to it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you watch the full video. With all that being said, Quando, Rondo, bruh. What's going on, bruh?
You know you got a warrant?
What?
For obstruction up in Sumter County.
Ooh, shoot.
Oh, shoot.
Roll, my nigga. Hey, call my mama, 484-6610. Hey, man, I got a gun on me, cuz. Go ahead and get it, my nigga.
I'm glad you done pull that thing out.
Why you done shot me?
If you pull that out on me, what you think?
August 18th,
That's wild.
2016.
You said why you gonna shoot me?
It was 1:22 in the afternoon when Savannah police observed a Nissan Cube fail to stop at a stop sign. Officers would conduct a traffic stop on the vehicle, where the driver would state he was taking the passenger to the store. The passenger was without ID and identified himself as 17-year-old Taekwon Bowman, who is now more commonly known as the rapper Quando Rondo, who officers soon found to have an active warrant.
How you doing, sir?
How you doing, sir?
I'm Officer Cole with SCMPD. We're stopping you today because I'm back there on ACL. Didn't stop for the stop sign.
That's my apology, sir. I was about to turn into the store, but he said that's the wrong store.
Okay.
So I got to the stop sign. I apologize.
Okay.
I was going to this store right here. Instead of that one, right here.
Okay. Can I get your license?
Yep.
He said.
Okay. Just hold on one second.
Y'all doing today?
All right, how you doing?
Good.
Everything all right?
I hope so.
Yeah, everything good. I done made it down long turn into the store.
I know, I saw you.
Yeah, my bad.
You got ID, man?
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
So why don't you have ID?
I don't never
I really just pick him up to get him a ride to
I know.
the store, right?
But you know we identify everybody in the car we stop. This ain't nothing new.
Yeah, I ain't get stopped, man.
Huh?
I don't never really get stopped, man.
No, you never been stopped ever by the police?
I have before, yeah.
What's your name, man?
Taekwon.
Spell that.
This was so small. Taekwon.
A. B. Bowman. Taekwon Bowman.
Bowman. B-W-B-O-W-M-A-N. What's your birthday?
3/23/99.
Any one of y'all on probation, parole, anything like that?
I just got out of court today.
I ain't know nothing.
I just got out of court today on probation.
He
So
said
you
that
are
was
on
happening.
probation or you off
I ain't know
probation?
No,
nothing.
I just went to court 2 days in Liberty County.
Right, so I'm asking, are you on probation or are you
Now,
off
yes, sir.
probation? Oh, okay.
Now I am.
It was just simple yes or no.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Oh God, trying to get the whole explanation, bruh. Yes, no.
See what we got?
I just went to court today.
So we're gonna get this passenger out. We're gonna tell him, don't just tell him to get out the car, but we just gonna detain him from now. Okay? And then you're gonna go through records and see can you get this, okay? So put that up on the dash.
You must be training him. But you see how he like going to tell him he detained, but you really know he got an arrest warrant. So therefore you finna add. Oh, you no, you ain't. You cool? You ain't going to jail. Like we gonna just detain you. And then 5 minutes. Oh yeah, you got a warrant. You going to jail? That'd be cold, bruh.
Passenger.
Yeah, he must be training him because he walking slow.
Sir, can you step out of the car? Yep. Yeah.
He like me.
You want to step over here?
All right. I'll tell you, get your cuffs out. You popped up with a warrant.
He's a black officer. He looking at him like, bro, I told you what to do already. Like you just standing there. Like that was funny to hear. He like, bro, if you don't do your job, I told you what to do.
You want to step over here?
They all confused. Look.
I'll tell you, get your cuffs out.
Like he already
Cuffs up with a
told you
warrant.
he
We're gonna
detect
confirm
like
it, all right? You know you got a warrant?
What?
For obstruction up in Sumter County.
At this time, realizing he isn't getting away, he notifies the arresting officers he has a gun concealed on his waist.
Ooh, shoot.
smart man.
Cause this happened when I was on the road, my nigga. Hey, call my mama, 484-6610. Hey, man, I got a gun on me, cuz. Go ahead and get it, my nigga. It's right there.
I'm glad you can pull this out, homeboy. Matt.
Hey, bitch, I get the holster, man. 484-6610. Tell her I got an obstruction from up the road. Boy. Nah, bitch, but I swear I ain't got nothing.
He ain't say tell her I got an instruction from up the road and I'm getting arrested right now for having something on me. He just worried about the warrant. He ain't worried about the tootie though.
No.
Hey,
I mean,
you kind of with it then whatever, I guess.
Hey, mama.
Hey, watch the driver. Just watch the driver.
Can I talk to my mama? Man, my mama getting
Keep eyes on the
arrested.
driver.
You traded him, bro.
This is what I did up the road. Yeah, that when I was fighting up the road. Man, I'm in Liberty City right now. I was on my way to Louis House.
Thought I was going to the store.
We don't get it confirmed though.
I'm on the juvenile.
17, man.
Man, mama. Man, I'm going to the county. Mom, I'm in the hat, yeah, cause when I missed post.
Go put him back in the car.
Man, alright, bitch, bro. Mama, I'm getting in the back of the car.
Put your $1 back in your back pocket, man.
Put the dollar back in your back pocket.
They'll probably take him on that side.
You was in the middle of getting ready to roll up, bruh.
Okay, ma'am, he's gonna have to call you back.
At least they let him call, bruh.
Well, that's a juvenile charge, though.
You still is juvenile. You
We don't
17.
get it all figured out, man.
And it's still a warrant.
What you doing with this pistol, man? What you need protection from? Where the serial numbers at?
I don't know.
Where you get it from?
I found it.
Found it where?
Look, you see when he said found it where? Nothing. And he say he found it. Now my homie gave it to me. I bought it from my big bro, my big homie this, my big homie none, the little homie nothing. None of that. I found it. Where you find it at?
On the day.
I don't know, man. It's up to Sumter or wherever you at.
Sumter.
Or wherever.
That's from you. I just did 15 months in juvenile YDC. Sumter's in America, Georgia.
I understand that, man. But they got a warrant out for you. I'm glad you didn't pull that thing out.
Why you would've shot me?
If you pull that out on me, what you think?
Nah, that's what I told you, man.
That's what you know. I respect that. 'Cause I feel like being on the national news tonight, you know. You took it like a man.
Oh God.
Man does on. Hey, it ain't got no serial numbers on it. I don't see anything that's even resemble it.
Unable to find the serial number, a second officer would observe the handgun and successfully find it. A search would show the 9mm handgun loaded with 6 bullets had been reported stolen 2 days prior. Quando Rondo would be charged with theft by receiving stolen property, possession of a pistol by a minor, the warrant officers originally found, and he'd be booked into the Chatham County Jail. According to the handgun larceny paperwork, on August 8th, Savannah PD responded to an apartment in reference to a stolen gun. The victim stated his SCCY CPX-2 was stolen the day prior when he had 6 family and friends over his apartment. He'd shown the weapon to a friend before putting it in the box it came in, which he left by a small table near the front door. Going outside for 15 to 20 minutes as people crowded the front of his apartment, he'd go back in to find the weapon missing. The odds Quando Rondo found a brand new handgun is unlikely, making it more likely that Quando Rondo lied to the police, making this one of the few examples of a rapper being caught at an early age and sticking to the code. Quando didn't answer any question that would negatively affect him or the man driving, and when the police tried to get too much information, he remained silent. Love him or hate him, you gotta respect that even at a young age, Quando Rondo was holding it down.
Hey, real talk though. And as far as that, I think for the pistol getting reported, I ain't I can't confirm or deny, but that might have been somebody he knew. And when it comes to a gun that's registered to you, if you lose it or if you give it to somebody, you better report it stolen. Because if they end up doing something with it, you might be going down too. So be careful. Catch you next video.